I sit in my chair holding my cup with care. When I get a fright, I look and stare. A fly, zoom! It flew by, too quick to see where. The only reason this book came about is when I was treating one of my clients, Cameron, and I was telling him the story of what happened. I'm like, you don't believe what happened to me like last week. It was the strangest thing. And he said to me, you know what, that would make a phenomenal children's book. And I was like, really? You think people want to hear this story? And he was like, yeah, you should do it. And then when I came to Zimbabwe, I finally had some time to put things together, and with the help of a few friends, and voila, here we go. So this is that story.